have your fresh face. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my fresh face look. With that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. So I went ahead and I did a little bit more of my eyebrows. Now I am going to put a little bit more concealer. I'm going to be using the LA Colors concealer. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix the LA Colors liquid makeup, and this is foundation that I got at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to mix it with my Wet n Wild. I'm going to use my ColourPop Hello Kitty blush. I really like this blush. I'm going to go ahead and get some of my LA Colors concealer again, and I'm going to apply it to my eyelid. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my CoverGirl mascara. And there you guys have it, your fresh face. This is what I like to do when I want to keep my face looking fresh and feeling without a lot of makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's free and it helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.